Good morning, grade 6, and welcome to our weekly homework. I am going to make some videos the first few weeks to explain exactly what I want to do so that if you and your parents want to go over what the expectations are for the homework, then it's clear what I've said and there's no lost in translationness. So the first week, first thing it says is welcome to your second week of homework. We've got a good excuse for why maybe your homework couldn't get done. I couldn't do my homework because my room is haunted. So let's hope that that doesn't happen to you this week and we can actually get through everything. So the first task this week is a blog post, and it says watch this video of a pelican learning to fly. Imagine that you needed to describe it to someone who is visually impaired. Write a paragraph describing what happens during the pelican's first flight. Think of the descriptive phrases that would make this come alive to someone who couldn't see it themselves. Be sure to use sensory words, all five senses, quality sentences, and make the piece really come alive for the reader. And when you have done that, when you've watched the video, you can write your comment right here on the class blog. So the convenient thing about the blog is that you can watch the video right in here, and it says watch it at least twice, and then underneath you can write your comments just like we did last week. But make sure this happens in the past tense, as we're working on our retells, and our retells always happen in the past tense. So can you write about this pelican's first ever flight in the past tense? But think about it, like I love the colors and the sky and the sea, and there's just so many things to describe. It'll be a great chance to really show off some descriptive words. And remember, you can always use the internet or a thesaurus to find synonyms or other words for words if you have got a word that's boring but you want to find something that's a little bit better. That's task 1. Task 2 is called Order of Operations Millionaire, and it does not work on iPads or your phones. But it says, can you become a millionaire? Try a few times and see if you can beat the game. As an extra bonus question, can you challenge a parent or sibling to see if you can beat them? And then, did you try? And then you answer yes or no right here. That's how I know you've actually done it. So if you click on the link, it'll take you right to Order of Operations Millionaire game. And it loads it up. And you can play 1 player or 2 player if you're by yourself, 1. If you're competing against someone, 2. And you get to pick a person. And you can carry on. Pick somebody. Go to down the page. Next. Give yourself a name. I'm going to turn off the sound. Let's play. And it'll ask you order of operations questions. And I want to see if you can get all the way through them. Hopefully, you can. So remember BEDMAS and what we've been working. So with brackets, then exponents, then division and multiplication going left to right, and then addition and subtraction going left to right. So if I click on it, 10 minus 3 times 2, well, you'll have to think about what that is. So that's that. Play, have some fun, and yeah, write down if you beat your parent or sibling here. Task 3 is working through Math Makes Sense, pages 14 through 21 in your Math Makes Sense practice book. Write down one question you found challenging here, and then explain how you worked through it. The last task is creating a Wonder drawing. So using Google Draw, can you create a picture of what you think August looks like in Wonder? Post the picture to our Google Classroom and comment on one other person's drawing. So to do that, you go into your Halton Cloud. Go into Halton Cloud, cloud.htsb.ca. And we will create a new, more drawing. And you can give it a title. I would call mine Mr. Steltman August as the title. And I want you to post it in our Google Classroom. So you can use all the features that are in here. And I want you to post it when you're done on the stream so I should see them. And you can add comments to people's by just adding a comment. That's it. That's the homework this week. Good luck. Thank you again for another amazing week. Bye-bye.